Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage LPD settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here go to Preferences, go over to Network, and here go to TCP and IP settings. Here we will have the LPD settings. And here we can use the LPD printing, and we also have the RX timeout. We can easily customize it, so just click on it. And basically now we can change the values, as you guys can see, from 1 to 60 minutes. So now after we click apply, those settings will be applied, and as you guys can see, changes will be effective after the main power is turned off and on. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.